All right, it's Sunday, new project for today. Took a break from working on a truck. I need to, I gotta fix my jacks. I have the Alcan 3-ton jack, and I have one of those O'Reilly's AutoZone power built 1-ton jacks. So, and this guy. The problem I was having is that I always store my jacks totally open with the valve open, so no pressure's in it. The other jack, I had it for 12 years. I looked on the ground, I saw oil. The Alcan jack, I had it for 6 months. Came out one day, looked on the ground, oil on the ground. And I'll show you where I found it leaking from. So the Alcan was leaking from right in here. Right there. And I saw a bunch of YouTube videos, so I guess I'll give it a shot. I went online, I found, where is it? Either eBay or Amazon. You type in Alcan 3-ton jack rebuild kit, and you'll see a bunch of seals, a bunch of O-rings. This is the kit that I got. Bunch of seals, or I don't know what it is, but we'll see. The Arcan 3-ton jack is pretty much the same for a bunch of companies. Of course, it is made in China. What would you expect? And it's packaged under and sold under various other names. So let's start by getting this thing apart and see if I can fix this thing. All right, the first thing I'm gonna do, take off these plates. All right, that exposes the fill valve, check valves. Then I'm gonna take this guy off, then that, and see whatever else I need to get this thing apart. And as you can see, just by the couple, 2 minutes I've been doing this, it's been leaking right in here. So with the handle off, I guess this is supposed to come out somehow. Oh geez. Okay, well, I guess the pistons are what's bad. Yeah. Okay, the kit does come with all new O-rings, so let me clean this up and get this taken care of. So this is the small side. Looks like an O-ring and some kind of spacer washer. It does look a little dirty, a little filthy. Oh, look at that. There's a crack. Huh. I don't think these things are supposed to be cracked like that. I think it's just a spacer, but I don't know. We'll see. There was some rust on this one. I'm assuming the rust was part of the issue. So I'll just clean all this off. The piston still looks like it's in very good shape, so I'm not gonna mess with the piston. I'm gonna just change out these O-rings. That's probably one of the problems. First, I just need to drain some of this oil. I wonder if I can take that off. Okay, so the small side is a 24. The big side is a 28. Which is not coming off. Time for the big gun. Okay, so everything seems to be pretty clean for now. Guess I'll try and change out some of these guys. Let me get my pick. Okay, so here's the kit. Let's see what's in here. Carefully try to open this thing. Now I assume this big ring is for the main cylinder, but I'm not gonna change that. I don't want to mess with it just yet. Oh wow, okay, this is, I guess this is like a master kit for all kinds of, I don't even know. Anyway, I'll start with the small side. Whoa. Okay, blast this guy out. I mean, everything looks pretty clean. I don't know, did it come with extra rings? Oh yes it did. Okay, so even these rings are split. Just gotta match up the rings with the rings. So here they are. These have a split in them also. So maybe, I don't know. Anyway. And I assume, let's match up some of the old ones. Okay, this must be the ring for that one. This O-ring matches up. So toss that on the side. Yeah, let me change it. We'll see what happens. Keep all the used ones on. Oh boy, there goes that. Clean this up again. Slide the new ones on. That was pretty easy. And the new O-rings. Where'd they go? Here it is. One. And two. Then I guess you just push it back in into the jack. So we'll see. Before I put this in, I am gonna put some hydraulic jack oil all over this thing and try to get it back in. And this one, like, oop, like this. Okay, let me grab the big one and start doing the big one. Let's see, the bigger one just has no spaces in here, but just has the O-ring itself. All right, that's it. I'll just put some grease on this thing and that should be good for now. All right, let me get everything back together. Then a little oil on the pistons or rams, whatever you want to call it. And that's just to get things started. So this is the small side. All right, everything works good. Then we just grease up these little balls and should be it. And down in here is your fill plug. That's this guy. The kit also did come with an O-ring for that. Oh shucks, losing O-rings. So let me swap this thing out real quick. Okay, this thing is really starting to bug me. Now these O-rings, especially the ones that are on those little pistons itself, they were hard. So I just need to fill a little bit oil back in there, and that should be it. The rest of the O-rings I'm gonna save for a later date. I think that pretty much solved all my problems. All right, that's it. Just gonna put a little bit more. Because this was leaking for a while. Ooh, okay. I really should dump some of that out, but all right, that easy. That was actually pretty easy. Together that easy. The old ones are really hard and crusty looking. So hopefully that works out. I'm gonna clean everything up. I'm gonna put a paper towel underneath the jack, let it sit overnight. If there's no oil on the ground, it's a win for me. So let me clean up, put the paper towel underneath the jack, and we'll see tomorrow what happens. All right, it's the next day, and the Arcan modification, or the seals that I fixed, worked. It worked perfectly. It's holding, no problems. I love it. Now I can keep it forever. The other jack, on the other hand, that's a different story. You have to take off the whole side just to get at what you need to get at. So I'm not even gonna waste my time with that. I bought that jack in 1998, so it's really 25 years old. It's not even worth trying to repair. I'm just gonna wait until it finally dies. It's cheaper just to keep adding in a little bit of oil, so that's that. Other than that, yeah, I think that's it for now. I'm gonna try to get the truck aligned tomorrow and continue on with all my projects. So thanks for sticking around for this fast one. I hope this can help some of you guys out there, and I'll see you guys on the next project.